YouTube, Mr. H&K91. Got another video review. This time, there's some 5.7 ammo. Well, this unboxing of the 5.7 ammo. Let me unbox it. And by the way, I'm not using a knife because I don't have a good knife, and I don't have a box cutter. So I'm just gonna use my hand. Let's see if I can actually open it too. Never mind, just use a knife. Let's see how they package this right here. But this is a 5.7 ammo. 500 rounds, 5.7 ammo. It's a good price, especially the type of ammo I got. This is probably the hardest box I ever had taken apart before. I never had ammo come up in a box like this, and especially not as hard as this. The Tula ammo came in a box, but it was not taped up like this. Well, maybe I should have just bought a box cutter. It taped all around. Damn ammo box. Next time, actual ammo can. Okay. Let's see, how did I open this box? Okay, got that open. What else next? Oh, and by the way, I don't have a bipod, so I'm holding my piece of shit iPhone 4, what I had since the first videos. You know how long ago that's been. Since 2012, I do need to get a new phone. But yeah, I just need a new camera, that's what I really need. And a bipod. Yep. I just should rip the fucking box up. Sorry about this, YouTube. Wow. Next time I buy ammo from this place, I'm telling them, please don't do that again. Okay, I got it. Fuck. Some paper. The box right here. God damn, that shit took 4 minutes. This is the law enforcement and military use only ammo. So, yeah, I'm quite sure y'all know it's the red but tip. I mean the green tip one. It's the 27 grain green tip 5.7 by 28 millimeter round. Got 500 rounds of this. I love it. I'm happy with it. Kind of warm. Let's see how it look. Okay, since no one not making videos of the green tip ammo on YouTube, everything everybody see have that stupid American Eagle 25 grain, 40 grain, I think it's 40 grain SMG, and that stupid VMAX blue tip bullet. This is the hollow part. I heard these bullets go up to 2,000 feet per second up in the handgun. Well, that's what chronograph go off by Buffman. So, let's see if I get it focused first. A piece of shit phone. Damn, this phone was a piece of shit. Well, I'm quite sure y'all can see it. I hope. And if the video is blurry, I'm just gonna make another video of it. I don't really care. Just message me. PM me, save. PM, your video is blurry. Take that shit down and make a new one, and I will. But anyway, this is my 5.7 ammo. I'm gonna buy a whole bunch of these every month since I had passed my CCW license, and till I get my CCW license, I'm gonna stop buying this and buying new guns. Also, I paid $2.99 for this. I don't think I told y'all that. $2.99 for this. It was for a good price. $2.99 from a good company. They always have rounds in stock, and that's the place I used to live at when I was young in Texas. I used to live in College Station. So that's why I got this. $2.99, good price for law enforcement. I'm going to see them going on gun brokers for $3.40. It's too high. I saw one place selling it for $400. Not worth it. They had a place selling it for a little cheap, like $300, but $2.99 is the best you can get it, especially when they're shipping it at $20. $20 for shipping, and it take only 2 days to come. So, like I said, there's some law enforcement ammo. ss198LF. 500 rounds. So, I'm happy. I get the damn thing focused now, son of a bitch. Yep, green tip. Alright, YouTube. I'll make some more videos in the future. And y'all be the first one to know about it. Get some new guns soon. Mr. H and K is out.